Okay, hello from Excel Wizard. Today is Advent of Code 2023, day 20. Pulse, proper. I don't know how to read it. Proper. I don't know what that means also. Okay, just let's see the puzzle. Okay, this is day 20. Now we have pulse propagation. Propagation. Okay. We have module with pulse, either high or low pulse, and then I'll set high as 2 and then low as 1, and they have a destination module here. So we have several different type of module. We have flip-flop, either on or off. When it's off, initially off, and then it will receive high pulse. If it's high pulse, it's ignore and do nothing. And if it low pulse, it will flip between on and off. If it's off, then turn on and send high pulse. This means initially, let's say I'll set initially is 1, and then okay, I just try with the formula. Okay, I think I've done this one. Okay, now okay, we have a flip flop, and flip flop either on or off here. So off on, and then the pulse in like 1 or 2, which is low. So if we receive this one as low, then we will flip flop. That means I can take this one and then like we'll mod this one by 2 and plus 1. This one will do the flip flop here, so it switch from low to high and then switch to high to low. But if it receive high pulse, it will just do nothing, so it's return this one as false. So this means there's no signal out here from false, but the memory inside, that means if it's false, it have to do nothing at, and it's just remember the old one. So this means, so if this is number, just return the number here like this, but if it's false, just return the initial. So have to go like this. Okay, so this is the flip-flop work. Now we have a conjunction module, and then it remember the most recent pulse received from each of their connection. This means there could be more than one connection. There could be more pulse sent to one conjunction. And initially it's low pulse. Okay, let's say it's like, so this is conjunction. Let's say it have two input, like maybe from A and from B. Initially it's receive remember 1, and then if A send if A send 2 here, now it will update A to 1 and B still remain 2, and then this we have to check if all this is what, if it's remember high pulse for all input, it will send low pulse, otherwise it send high pulse. So that means I have to check all of this. So it's like n of this one equal to 2, and if this one the case, then if all input is all high, it's send low, otherwise go high. So this case it will send high pulse again because this one is 1. But if B is remember 2 and now here is 2, it will send 1. So this means like all of this pulse from the same input here have to be all higher pulse. Okay. And then we have a single broadcast module, is just like send out the pulse, and then there are button module with send single low pulse here. So these are the sample. I'll just copy this one and then okay, just get rid of this first sample, and then there are second sample here. So let's see a little bit here. So it start with button, it send low here, and then it send 3 pulse from each one of this one. So we get 4 here, 4 low pulse. And like another thing is they are doing in order. So like this one sent to A, and then next one we go to B, next one go to C, and then with this A here is go to flip flop and go to B. So just like that order. So let's try that. So first I'm gonna do this one with broadcast. So this means I have to split it into 3 rows here. So okay, text split, and I'm only interested in what after this one. So text after this by arrow here, and then split into row on this one. So this is, and then it receive row pulse, this means 1. So I can like, if I go S stack here, the rest will be NA, and then I have to fill out. So I can go with expand with 2 column and pad with 1 like this. But what I like is this one. So if it's just 2 column, I can use this method. So if it's true, use this one, and if it's false, use another one, and it will just fill up everything. So just like this one. Now we need this. Okay, I'll just go with this one. So with this, I have to split all of this one. So text split this with, okay, try with this one first. Oh wait. Okay, and comma space here. So if I split this way, in and con is not on the same row. So I have to swap this one. This, okay. Now when I got this, the output is on the bottom row. So if I want to do it properly, I can go with transpose this one, and then I can fill out with the first one. So okay, let's say, wait, this one. Okay, let's say it's B. Then if an A of B, I'll take the first one at B here. Just go like this, and then I have to go do this for every row. So try with reduce, start with 0, and then this, then lambda A and V. Then this one become V, and then I have to restack. Wait, we stack A on this one. Got this. What? Cross. What? Reduce lambda AV, that B is, oh wait, B is this one. We stack here, sorry, and then drop the first one out, first row out like this. But let's say about the conjunction, it can receive more than one. So this means this one receive from A and from B. And then so that means I have to keep conjunction for 2 value of A and B. And then so the way this one works is, if I have to check with con, okay, then I have to go filter the first column with the second column equal to con here. So this means this one I go with mid, not mod, mid of this one by 2 by 9 equal to this one. I got something here, and then I can filter the first column, this. So I have A and B, and then I will just go with this and this one, just like this. So I have to keep 2 value of con here, and this in only have 1 input, just go with 1. So this means I have to expand all this one based on the value here. So that's, I have to go another reduce here. So let's MA is this one. Then I have to go reduce, start with 0, and then I have to operate by row here. So sequence of rows, MA here, lambda A and I. Okay, and then let B again is index of MA I1. So this is B. Okay. Oh wait, I just do it in another column here. Now I have to go check like this one. So filter the take MA by first column and then drop MA by first column equal to mid of B by 2 by 9. I have this one and then I have to AND, but I only do the connection when this one is conjunction. So how to check that? I can go with left this one and check if it's equal to and this means this is like conjunction here. But I can just go straight check with this one. So I can check if this one is more than n. It will show like this because ampersand is more than percent. So if I go less, I still can check. So the less will be flip-flop here and conjunction. So either way. So this means here I'll just check if B is less than ampersand. This means it's flip-flop, just do nothing. So it's just return B. And if not, it will return B and that filter. Okay. This is just one column and I also need output here. So to do stack. But I use if again, if 1 and 0, return this one. And the second column will be index of MA by I by 2. Okay, so this one. And then I can finally restack A on this. I got like this and drop. So I have to drop it here. Okay. Now we expand this. Just copy this to this. But another problem is like when I have conjunction, this one send input, send out to conjunction, and then I have to know that if this con is come from A or this con is come from B. So I have to do another thing to manage this one. So let's say I have this. I have to go check with the first one here. But I only want the previous one. So this output, I only want the first with output with con without that percent. So I have to go with text before any ampersand, no, percent or ampersand here. Number 2, but this one costs NA because the other one have only one. So to fix this one, I just go with another thing here. So like this, and then I will check if this one is exceed in first column, just like con A and con B, it show up here. I will keep that one. So this is the concept. So let's say this is MB, and the first column is M is take MB by first column, and the second column is B, and I'll just drop MB by first column. Now the check is I'll go with C. Conjunction will be B and A and something here, and then I go text before this one by what? By ampersand and conjunction. Oh, percent here 2. Okay, so this will be my C. What name? Oh, this should be M. Okay. Now that I get this one, I can go like X match C on first column, but without the sign here. So mid M by 2 by 9. This means I only fill out this one with this, and then I can return that one. So instead of X match, I go with X lookup, and I'll return that mid again. So if it's found that, it just go like this. So it's mean, and then if it's NA, just do nothing. So if NA, just return the B. Okay, this. So this is the new update. Second column, and also need first column. Now I can just go S stack with M. So this is what I want. So let's just go like this. This one. So this is the same. Now, the conjunction is initially with low, so I can put this as one, and also the flip flop I can put this first memory as one. So it mean, okay, let boss card is from this, and then this is module from this one. Now I want to store one for each of these modules. So sequence of rows MD. Okay, let's see. N. So N is rows MD here, and then S is sequence of N. I got S here, and I stole one, so I can just power by 0 is get one here. And next from this one, the final is we have to like count how many low pulse and high pulse and do the multiplication. So this means like from this one we have 4 low pulse in the beginning. This one have 2. This means one from button and another from broadcast, which is I can count the row of that one. So here if I just have to do the, okay, just go with another one here. Now I want this one like store low and high, and then just keep track of this low and high. This means not just this one, so I have to restack. And then initially we have sent one low pulse from button, and then another from broadcast, which is how many row of broadcast. So rows from broadcast BO here, and then the high have nothing, so this is 0. So this is no row with S here. Okay, so we start with 4 low and 0 high, and then we'll need the signal here. So just we stack another BO here. Just go like this, go like this. Then we have to operate row by row. So it means I have to operate this one and find out what is it send output, and then remove this row A, and then next one is B, and then just do the same. So okay, I'm just gonna copy all this, and then use reduce from starting here, and then do its one round, and then okay, lambda A and underscore not using. First we want to operate with A and +1, so I'll go with let B is index of A. We have the N here, which is 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means I need N plus 3 by 1 to get the A. Okay. And the pulse from that one will be P is index of A by N plus 3, second column. So this is P. And we have to update all this one. So this means the memory of module. Wait, I will call this one as pulse memory will be take A by N by 1. So this is give me 4 rows here. PM. Right? No? Okay. So this is PM. Now I want to know which one is this A sent out. So this means A is sent out into this B here. So I have to check the first column of module without sign. Okay. So let's say we have a module name here is take MD first column. and then I don't want the sign, so go with mid. This one by 2 by 9. Okay. Now I can, when I update, I want to know which row I update, and then I can take that one later. So I'll take that is I. Okay, I'll just go on this one because like A here is go out from 2 rows. This means I have to update row 1 and row 2. So this means I will have to do filter because I have to go like more. So filter of how many row of module I already have this one. S when name is equal to B. So this will be my I. We update this one on row 1 and row 2. And the module from that one is mi will be index of A by I by 1. So this is mi. What I get? Oh no. Oh yes, this is. Oh no, this is pulse pi. Yeah. The module will be index of module here from I and 1. So this is will be the module mi here. So with this mi, this is flip flop, and then I can with flip flop or the conjunction is have to take differently. So I have to check. This mean okay if it flip flop, that mean my mi is less than ampersand. And then now I want to update the value here because when we have to go to the output, we have to update first for the conjunction and then check if it's all high or to get the output. So okay, I'll go to update here. Then this update, I will check. So if it flip flop, then I have to check the pulse. If pulse equal to 1, and it's just remember, so we have to do the flip flop, which is mod of pulse, which is pi 2 plus 1, and this will return false if it's high. And then for the conjunction, I just go with this one first. So this will be up. Okay. For the conjunction, okay, let's say this one have conjunction like this. Then with conjunction, I have to check both of this input. This means I have to take the name without separator. So this means I have to go like text before this one by ampersand or percent here. I got this one, and also I have to go with this one before the any sign. So this means this one I have to go with mid of this one by 2 by 9 to get this one, and then get rid of the second or first sign. So it means and text before either percent or ampersand here. Let's go like this, but it costs NA on some that doesn't have, so I have to add some sign here like this. And then I can filter this one and check the value from the memory and check if it's all true to get 1 or 2 here. So this one I will have to filter with the what update. Wait. Oh wait. Oh, update. Oh, this one is just remember the input. So this means P here. Okay. Input. Okay. For now, but this one is like 2 and 2, and then I have no idea how to input update in this one. So I have to put it back in place here. So it means like I update 2 of this one in this. So let's say if I have head stack I with update here, this one that means I update row 1 with 2 and row 2 with 2. So if it's 4 or 5 here, I have to update it here. So this means like I can go with X lookup for all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here from sequence on top S here. Go like this. Yep. Okay. Then if it's NA, just return the original. So if NA, return the original, which is I haven't done it yet. Oh, PM. So if NA, just return me the PM. Okay, go like this. So this means I can go with this X lookup update here. So I just go update here. Right. Update. Okay. Now we want to go find the output. Okay. So out. P out. Okay. Pulse out. So pulse out will be if flip flop, then I will take the pulse out from update here. So index of what update and I here, and this still return true or false, and then if it's false I'll just do nothing. Okay, but if it's conjunction, now I have to go filter on this one. So let's try filter. So filter the update here. So I have to check like these two when text. Okay, wait, I have to go with ampersand here. So ampersand and percent, which is like ampersand and percent. Then I have to go text before name here, which is mn and something, just to make sure that it's not error, and then ap equal to what I have, so which is text before b and ap. So this means like this one. So now that I have filter, I have to check if it's equal to true, and then if all of this equal to true, which is and return 1, else return 2. So this is like pulse out, PO. Oh, need comma here. Okay. So this is PO. Pulse out. Now I can like update on the count here, but okay, need to go like update UP. But in some case, this one will the one from conjunction return false. So okay, I'll just do another update with count. Okay, if UP, then UP, and if it's false, then just return the initial state, which is PM. Okay, this is UPC. Now I update all this. Now I need to update the count here. It means if it go out as 1, I have to add low. This one become 3. It's go out as 2. I have to update this one. So okay, so I go with V stat something, and then I go do with map with 1 and 2, then lambda I. Then I have to count how many from output. So sum n of output equal to I. Oh wait, cross. Yep. So I have 2 output here, which is 2, but I have to add the previous number, which is from row n plus 1 or plus 2. This mean so need another index of A from n plus I. And first column, another cross. Yep. So this means I have 2, and then this A return to high pulse is count as 2 here. Try on top, and this one is sent 1 high pulse, so this is update as 1, and then okay, let's stack it back with the original thing here. So I go do another V stack on drop A on the, I get rid of n plus 2 first. Okay, let's go like this, go like this. Now I want to get rid of A because it's already sent the output. So this means I need to filter out when row here is equal to n plus 3. Okay. Okay. Need sequence. So I'll just put somewhere here. Sequence of A is sequence of rows A. With this one, I can go with filter. When SA is not equal to n plus 3, now I will get rid of this row A. Okay, good. Go with both here. Now this one is just 1 row. Okay, wait, my mom calls, so I'm just gonna mute. Okay, I'm back here. Where was we? Okay, now we have all this. We have to add the signal from output. So, okay, output is, we will have to go with this one. So output from A here, we have to go with B. That means second row, second column of MD. So it means go with a stack with index of MD by I, second column, and then we need the output pulse, which is PO. So this one will be we stack and output. Okay, like this. So this one send out B. This one send out conjunction. But another problem is, okay, just try with this. What? Oh, I have to lock column. Okay. One go, one. Wait. Okay, just drag this. Oh, it's show nothing. So here, when this one is false, I don't have to do anything because no signal output. So this means I have to filter this one out from output. So I can go with PO here. So it will filter the false out, and this one will return. Oh, I have not done filter yet. So filter. Oh wait, where should I? So when I filter this one have nothing out, this means this will return error. So if it's empty, just return 0. Yeah. And then I don't want 0 here. So okay, this mean, okay, let's see, this is results. So if this out, first element of out is 0, and I just use the UPC here. If it's not 0, just restack. So this means first of out equal to 0, then just return UPC. If not, just do restack and then return RS. Okay, just go like this. Now, okay, let's try just like continue from all this, and oh wait, I have to copy 2 column. So at the end, we will have, for first sample, this one just go as 1, and then we have 4 low, and then 8 low and 4 high here. Let's try with the bottom one. Okay, just copy this and go. Okay, try this. Now here we come at the problem. We have cal here because the output is just go out. It doesn't have to do anything here. So another check here. if it's output, that means my B here is no. Oh, here. So my B is output, and output doesn't find anything here. That means my I is show cal here. So I will go this one. If it's empty, just go 0. And with this one, if it's 0, I just have to filter that row out without do anything else. So if first element of I is equal to 0, I'll just filter A out when this SA is not equal to n plus 3. Just this row, just go out here. Else do the rest, but I also need another new let here. And this one return RS. Okay, now I can continue like this. And it's just like go with. Okay. Now this one like go with 2, 2, 2, and then this is 4. Then now this is error because there are no row in proceed. That means I want to stop it here. So this means before I do anything, I'll just check. So if rows of A equal to n plus 2, this means like number of row of MD and then 2 high and low here. Just return the A, but I only need the first column, so take A. That's one. Else just continue with this, and then I need another cross bracket. Okay. So when I got this, I can like run until its end. So okay, let's say try it from the start. Start is we have this. So this is my start point. Okay, just put this screen here. Now instead of this one, my start is like this. So like we stack something with row plus BO and that one. So I will replace that one here. We stack. But this is my first thing here. And then next round it will have 2 additional for count. So I will only take this one for that end row here. Oh, I think I have too many. Okay, now this I already run 1 round here. So if I run like 10 rounds, it just go like this. So with this reduce, I have to overshoot and then like go like this. And then at some point, this one, it go back to 111 after 4 rounds. And the question is asking for if, okay, the first one we have 8 low pulse and 8 high pulse. Same here. This one, and then as this one return 111, so that means this is 8,000 and it is 4,000, and just do the multiply. This one have some new number, so this is repeat every 4 circle here. So this means if I sum this one, so sum the below one, and this is like 1,000 divided by 4 round here, so I can multiply this into this to get 4,250 and 27 and 50, and then multiply these two together, product, to get the answer. So oh wait, this one is like this number. Yep, same. So okay, so this is how to do. But here, one thing I don't like is this reduce. I have to overshoot. So it's better to change this one into recursion. That means I don't have to overshoot. It will stop when I want. So let's try that. So I have this. Okay, and this one I still want. Wait. Home with this. To change this one to recursion, I need a function. So let r is recursion and lambda r input is just one, which is a. Now I only want all of this. Okay. And this is closed. Where is it closed? So it's closed the function here. Okay, now I can call the function with r, and what I let wait. Okay, just go with one first. What? Wait. Close. Okay, and then just go out with one. Then the initial I want is this one. Okay. Now I can run that function with r, and this start point, but I'll just take it here. Close. Okay. This one is only run for one round. This means I already have the stop, which is row here. So I do the recursion here. That means I go with r, and repeat all this one. Then I need another close bracket. Okay, now this is recursion. Now I can like drag into the right and yes, just return the same. So this is huge. Let's try with the sample. With input here. So we have very large input here. Just put it here. But we need broadcast, and broadcast is not on top. So in this one, I just manually Control X and just insert. I cannot insert. Okay, insert cut cell. Chip cell up here. Okay, now I can have all this. Okay, copy. I just copy all this into this. But this one have to go more. So like this is a lot here, but it's all start with one. Now I can take this function. Okay. Hope that I lock the row column correctly. And let's just put it here. Okay. Now I got this. Just insert something here. Oh wait, insert chip cell, right? So this is my first round. And then I have to go like 1000 and no idea is it's gonna repeat. So just go with 1000 here. So Control R. It takes quite some time here, and when it takes long time like this, it's bad idea to combine this into one formula. So just take it like this. And okay, so we have 1000. We can check if it repeat, but it's not. So I just sum with this one. So sum high and low, and then do the multiplication. So product. This one got this number. So answer with this number, and hope this one is right. Now continue part 2. We want the module that name Rx machine turn on when single row pulse sent to Rx. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's. I don't know where is it. Oh, just try it. Okay, I just keep this one away. Okay, filter. This one. Okay, then drop this one by 1 equal to Rx. So we have 4 input into Rx here. And there, okay, this here, I just green it here. See here from the first 1000 is like just fill color is already slow. Okay, what? Okay, I already fill. And I think I don't want to fill this one. And then let's see, can I find X match 2 from any of this? I just go until the end. So there is like no, okay, before that, this one is Rx, and then this is like a conjunction. This means all of this input have to be 2, have to be high pulse in order to get low pulse on this Rx. So that's why I'm looking for 2, but unfortunately the first 1000 doesn't show anything. I just go a little bit here. So this means like I have to go more, but in my offline I go for like 10,000 and no single 2 is shown up here. And that because it somehow when it's switch up to high pulse and it run through the loop, it's just switch back to 1 again. So this means this 2 is just happen internally. So this means like I have to check if any of this show up internal. So I have to check this one inside. Okay, so instead of this one, I filter sequence of rows of this one. This means I need to check on this row 18, 19, 20, and 21. And one is to stop here. So I'm just gonna start here. And I think I'll just gonna run another 4,000 in column. Okay, HOI. No. Okay, with this. Now I know that it will switch back to 1 at some point, but I want to know when does it switch. So instead of just stop here, I want it to stop when any of this row return to. Okay, so this means I have another criteria, or when index A by this one, I just go hard code here because I have to do manually, equal to 2. So when any of this equal to 2, it just stop the loop, but it not complete the loop here. So just try with this. And then, oh wait, just like continue on all this, Control R, and again, take quite some time. Still 99, okay. Now, like, so oh no, it's not happen anywhere here. Oh, it's not finished yet. Again, I have to wait until it complete and do not click anything. Still not yet. Hey, come on. So this is, wow, slow. And if I combine all this into single formula, it's even slower. So bad idea to do that. Now expect to see some number here. So this means 2 show up on this one. Okay, let's try. So this means a sequence of, I already check with this row, get rid of error to call by 3 and then take the first one. Okay, now I want to record this one, and If I use formula, I can add another row for record this number, but again, I have to wait quite long time, so I just record this manually. So this is like manually record this one, and I can go to that row here. Oh, I don't have any color. Okay, I know this one is on the last row. This means 21 here. I think I better color this one. Okay, color this one so it's easier to see. Okay, when it stop here, it's not complete the loop. This one, so this one return 2 here, and it's just return 2, and then after it finished the process, it just turn back to 1. So this means I already record this number, so I can get rid of this and enter to make it continue. So this one return back to 1. And here I found the next one, which is this one. So just copy, paste value here. So this is row 20. Then I do the same. This is row 20. This is 2 here. And if it complete, it's just return 1 again. So I mean I get rid of 20. Okay, now next is this one. Copy this one. And this is another next, which is first row, which is I have to get rid of this 18. This one get me the last one, which is 3931. So this is what when to occur in like different place here. And then in order to of this one to synchronize together, I mean I have to go with product. This one to get all of this, but so this will be the answer. But in case if this one is not prime number, it can multiply. So safer to use like least common multiplier. Seem like it's just return the same number. So this is the number. So like another gold star. Okay. I think this is all, but okay, without manually, this mean with this one, I have to add another row here into what we need, and then everything ship up by 1. And like, let's say have 0 here. And then I need to add condition to add this number when it found this what when this is found, then I have to add the number of round, and that one is require another variable, which is like maybe I, and then I keep I plus 1, and then when this condition meet, I just record that number. But do this with Excel is really complicated. So it's already got the answer, so just take it here. So okay, so I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.